These crackers are made from the discard of my sourdough starter, Josephine. Fresh rosemary goes well with sourdough, and so does cheese. I had some fresh thyme as well. Also reporting for duty are dry mustard to complement the cheese, paprika, onion powder, and cayenne for a little kick. Normally, you would just put this in the refrigerator to chill, but I let mine get a little rise and then put it in the refrigerator and rest. I have a nice pastry wheel and a bendable ruler that I use to cut the crackers. Don't forget to prick them with a fork before putting them in the oven, and put some salt on them too. And here they are out of the oven. They smell amazing, and they were very good. But they were better with some pimento cheese. You can find the recipe for the pimento cheese in the description. Thanks for watching.